Kimberly, I know your counseling center specializes in DBT. What does DBT stand for, and what is it actually?
Paul, DBT stands for Dialectical Behavior Therapy, and it is an amazing program that was developed by a researcher and psychologist, Marsha Linehan, in University of Seattle in Washington. And it was designed for people that are highly suicidal and have difficulty managing their emotions. It's what we call an evidence-based treatment and has been proven to be effective in treating all types of mental health challenges. It is research-based now for eating disorders, depression, substance abuse, and it is hands down a life-changing program.
Now, how long is this program?
So the way DBT is delivered is that it's delivered in a 6-month program. So people meet with us once a week individually for therapy, and then once a week for a skills training group where we teach people step by step how to manage their emotions, have better relationships, and deal with distress in their life without making things worse.
So after they go through this 6-month program, what can they expect as far as the benefits of going through the program?
People get so much better, and they are happier in their life, their relationships are better, and they tell us that their stress is much more manageable in their life.
That's great. It sounds like a great program, and obviously there has to be a commitment on their part, otherwise it doesn't work. You know, I mean, that's anything in life. So the tools are there, the program's set in place, right? But people have to make that commitment. Is that true?
Yes. So one of the things that makes our program so unique is that when you enroll in our program, you get access to myself or one of our team for 24/7, 365 days a year support. All you have to do is call us on that skills coaching line, and we'll walk you through exactly what you need to do in any moment that you're struggling. The best way to get in touch with me is just to reach out and give us a call at 704-896-7776, or you can always reach us on the web at www.southlakecounseling.com. We're here and we want to help.